Eating the sweet food usually makes me feel happy. This is a homemade gummy maker. I never thought I could make gummy at home. On weekend, I like to make some gummy with my families. This machine is really easy to operate. You only need to prepare some gelatin powder, sugar, and juice. Mix the gelatin powder with the sugar and pour all of the ingredients into the machine and stir again. You just need to press the start button and the machine will start working. After finish working, use a dropper to transfer the mixture into the silicone mold of your choice, and then simply wait a while for it to take shape naturally. I really enjoy this process with my families. Not only can we enjoy DIY at home, but we can also enjoy yummy and healthy gummy. You can make any shape of gummies at home with safe ingredients. No addition, natural, healthy gummies. Oh, it's so cute! It's easy to take the gummy out of the mold when it's set. This machine is perfect for fine time, gathering, party, afternoon tea. And it is not limited to make a gummy. Also, you can make some different flavor pudding, jelly, and DIY more recipe. Just free your imagination!